You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this museum and palace in Paris. If you want to learn more names of famous places to visit in Paris, France, make sure to stay tuned, and more French vocabulary that is very useful, so stay tuned. Musée, that's French for museum. Musée de l'Orangerie. L'Orangerie. So in English, Musée de l'Orangerie. L'Orangerie. Or the Orangerie Museum. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.